newborn in your boba wrap or your baby sling, whichever one you have. So the way I like to do it is I like to make sure that our baby is sleeping. That's the easiest way for us. Some babies don't mind being put in when they're awake, but she's only 7 weeks old, so she really loves to be placed when she's just about to fall asleep. So I'm going to show you how we place our baby in the boba baby wrap. The first thing you want to do is you want to have your baby facing you in your tummy. So her head is up here. Now you have these two sides that open up. The legs are going to go through each side. So you're going to take your leg, stretch this out, and place the first piece around her leg. Take this part and put it around her bum. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So we'll open this up. See how there's an opening? The second leg goes through, and then you're going to place this piece around her just like this. Now the last piece is going to be to cover her legs. So you're going to open this up and just place it all the way at the top here. And that's it. So if you want, you can cover her head on one side. And she absolutely loves just cuddling and snuggling. And as you can see, she's absolutely fallen asleep now. Her arms are still free to move in here, but it's the best thing for them. They absolutely love it. And my hands are free. I'm able to just do my thing during the day, and she will sleep through it. If you have any questions on how to place your baby in the boba wrap, leave them in the comments below. I love reading and responding to your comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!